Are you curious why you need to invest time in posting a no pay, an EOB that comes in with no payment, such as a deductible EOB? If you are curious as to why exactly it might help, then today's video is for you. Let's dive into the topic. Hi, my name is Jasmine, and I have more than 2 decades of experience in the business of healthcare. If you are new here, I'm so excited that you are here. My mission with this space is to improve the delivery of patient care by alleviating the stress and confusion in the business of healthcare. If you like today's content, please consider subscribing and giving us a thumbs up and letting us know in the comments what videos you're interested in learning more about. 3 reasons why you should be processing these no pays, these EOBs that are going towards your patient's deductibles. The first reason is to resolve your claims. Let's say you have a really large accounts receivables report. Some of that accounts receivables report might be due to the fact that there was a period of time, or even at this moment in time, those no not being processed. You don't have updates as to whether or not the patient's visits went towards their deductible. You might also not have updates about whether or not claims or procedure codes were denied. And you might not have the amounts that are supposed to be written off factored in to your accounts receivables. So your contractual adjustments may not be factored in, which means that your AR, your accounts receivables report, is inflated. So if you very simply post these remittance advices, these EOBs that are coming in without any money, then you could be bringing down your accounts receivables report. So make sure that you are posting and processing these EOBs. Another reason why you'll want to post these no pay EOBs, these $0 EOBs that are coming in, is to make sure your patient's account is properly balanced. Posting these EOBs is going to give the proper updates to all of the parties, whether it's the front desk or your patient in the portal, the proper updates about the claim's status. So they know the claim has been processed by insurance when an EOB has been applied towards that visit. And also, it would signify whether they still owe any amounts towards that visit or whether we are waiting for the insurance company to pay those amounts towards the visit. So it keeps everybody in the know, and it gives them clarity and transparency related to the processing of the claims. So everyone is fully aware of the status, and we know for a fact whether or not our insurance company still owes or if our patient now owes the amount. It will also communicate whether or not there are underpayments or overpayments on either side. Okay, this last reason, I know you're going to like it. The last reason is to boost your revenue. If you believe that ERAs that are no pays and those EOBs that don't have any checks attached to them that have not been tended to, then for certain, you are delaying the potential for you to invoice your patients to receive additional revenue for the visits that might have not been paid in advance of the care. So that would mean that when you have your EOBs posted to your patient's account, you have the accurate amount that is owed from the patient reflected, and you can now send them a statement or a notification of their balance so they can pay the additional revenue, additional monies towards that visit. So it's extremely important that you post these EOBs so that you can provide the proper and appropriate updates to your patients and potentially boost your revenue. I truly hope that you found today's video helpful. Let me know by giving me a thumbs up and telling me in the comments below. You can also pop a question in the comments below so that I can circle back with a unique curated video to answer your question. Listen, if you found this type of content helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell so that you can be told and notified when we go live and post videos, which is on a weekly basis. Thank you so much for being here. And if you are interested in going a lot deeper with us in your learning and understanding in the business of healthcare, then you might consider joining our communities online or joining and taking a look at our programs and courses that we have in the card up here or in the description box below. Thank you so much for being here, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.